roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. There are many different shingle colors to choose from. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. We use only the best quality materials. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 804-269-8110